are magnetic building cubes. These are so much fun for little kids to play with, use their imagination and build all kinds of things with them. I love that they come in this case so you can keep them nice and neat, easy to store in your closet or in your kids' room, playroom, wherever they might be using them. But it opens right up like that, and you can feel free to do whatever you want with them. There's all kinds of cute things here, like some unicorn horses, all different colors on all the sides of this one. Here's some greenery with flowers and little like teddy bear heads. These are all different things you can use to make buildings. There's water with little fishies on them, some rocks, fencing, all different kinds of things.
And this is how I finished it.
So many fun options that your kids can create with these.